All right, guys, please solve this next question from CAT 2021 and you can resume to look at the solution. All right, guys. So the strength of an indigo solution in percentage is equal to the amount of indigo in grams per 100 cc of water. Okay. Two 800 cc bottles are filled with indigo solutions of strength 33% and 17% respectively. A part of the solution from the first bottle is thrown away and replaced by an equal volume of the solution from second bottle. If strength of the indigo solution in the first bottle has now changed to 21%, then the volume in cc of the solution left in the second bottle is. So from the first bottle, which contains 33% indigo solution, okay, you're removing some amount. Okay, let's say you're removing x cubic centimeters, x cc, and you're adding equal amount of, or let's say x cc from the second bottle. Okay, says that the resulting percentage is 20, the resultant concentration or the resultant percentage of indigo in the final solution is 21, right? So we need to find out what is the solution left in the second bottle. Now, guys, one thing we need to understand here is after removing X amount of the first solution, okay, whatever solution is left will be 800 minus, let's say, X. In that 800 minus X cubic centimeters, also the percentage of indigo will remain the same. Okay, the percentage does not change here. Okay, so this is one phenomena we have studied already in dilution. All right. So if you remove, let's say, X cubic centimeters from the first solution, what remains is 800 minus X. And in that 800 minus X cubic centimeters, okay, the percentage of indigo is still 33%. To this, you're adding the second solution, which is 17% indigo, and giving you overall 21%. Okay, since you have removed equal amount of the first solution and added equal amount of second solution, okay, the total solution is still 800 cubic centimeters, right? So basically from 800 cubic centimeters, you remove X and you add X cubic centimeters of second solution. The overall solution is still 800 cubic centimeters, right? So we will basically apply alligations, okay, when you add this 17% indigo solution to the 33% indigo solution, the overall percentage is 21. By using alligations, this is 21 minus 17, 4, 13 minus 21, 33 minus 21 is 12. The ratio is 1:3, right? So that means of the 800 cubic centimeters of the total solution which you have, the ratio of the first solution and the second solution is 1:3. That means 200 cubic centimeters of the first solution was taken and 600 cubic centimeters of the second solution was taken. Now, second solution also was an 800 cubic centimeters bottle, right? From that, okay, you remove 600 cubic centimeters to give overall 21%. So what is the solution left in the second bottle? Original 800 cubic centimeters minus 600. The required answer is 200 cubic centimeters. That's the answer to your question. Okay, if you've studied dilution, okay, understanding this part becomes very, very easy. Okay, if suppose you have X% of a solution, even if you remove some Y liters from this, the resultant solution still contains X% in concentration. Okay, so if you understand this phenomena, the question is very, very easy. And we use further alligations to get the ratio of the two solutions mixed. That gives us 1:3. 3 corresponds to 600. So remaining solution in the second bottle is 200 cubic centimeters.